Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to refund on PandaBuy. It's pretty much simple. I just want you to stay relaxed and watch me closely. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your PandaBuy web application. As you can see, I have my account already created. And I'd like you to know that if you do not have an account created on PandaBuy, then you'll not be able to enjoy all of its benefits or explore all of its features. So how do you create an account? Pretty much simple. Use any browser of your choice. Once you've launched any browser of your choice, head over to the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type pandabuy.com and it's going to take you to the official website. At the top right corner, you're going to see an option for you to sign up. Follow with the processes, which is self-explanatory, and you'll be able to create an account. And once you're done creating an account and signing up, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage, customized for you. So right here, you can now explore a lot of features to have a great experience. And let's hop into today's tutorial, which is how to refund on PandaBuy. How can you return an item to actually get a refund? I'd like you to know that PandaBuy actually has refund policies, and you'd like to read that for you to see the process. But then I'm just going to walk you through how you can, request a refund. And then from there, we can now read through the refund policy. Which do you choose? So right here, this is PandaBuy, okay? And PandaBuy, you can shop from China and shop with PandaBuy. All right, so this strikes me as a China-based shopping website. Okay, all right, so from this homepage, scroll all the way down. Let's start with that. And here you're going to find returns and refunds. So go ahead and click on returns and refunds, and let's see what they have to say about it. So now it says, what is 5-day return / exchange guarantee? 5-day return exchange guarantee is a special after sales service and then offered to customers by sellers or third-party platforms within 7 days. So how do you determine if a product is eligible for this? All right, so products are either eligible or ineligible for the 5-day this, and you can see if your product is available for it or it is not available for it. But then this is actually a special service, the 5-day return exchange guarantee, which I don't think is the core of this tutorial. But then if it interests you, then that's fine. So here it says how to request this. Okay, so all of these are actually hammering on the 5-day return / exchange guarantee and stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna go all up, but I actually came here because I think that this is actually going to be necessary, or it's going to be important for you. Now from here, let's actually head over to the PandaBuy homepage from where we came from. So right here, now let's say you placed an order, and then you say let's say you completed the order, and then you want to return it because it is damaged, or it was not what you ordered, was not what you got. But then there are several reasons why you want to actually return an item. So if you return, let's say you want to return and you want to refund, here's exactly what you can do. Head over to the top right corner of your screen where you're going to find your account name, or you can actually get your profile picture, but I don't have a profile picture, so I just have my profile initials. So click on that and you're going to see an extended menu here. You see user center, and then you see order, you see warehouse, parcel, and then you see wallets and you see logo. So go ahead and click on order so that it can take you to the order page where you can definitely find your orders. Now, as you can see, I do not have a completed order. So this is going to look like it may look like too much a process for you, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and you have absolutely nothing to worry about. I just have pending orders, like orders that I initiated but I did not complete. So if you have completed an order and you want to place a refund for it, you definitely find it right here. So you see the order, so go ahead and select the order that you want to return, all right, or you want to request a refund on. And then once you have selected the order, it's just very simple what you should do. So right there beside the order, I'm not going to use this because this is not a completed order, but then once you've completed the order, it's just going to be placed like this, but then there are going to be different options. So at the right corner, extreme right corner of that order, you're going to find cancel order. You're going to find the cancel order button. So go ahead and click on cancel order. Now, once you click on cancel order, it's going to open up a window where it's going to tell you to add a reason for canceling your order. It's very simple. Now, they're going to provide a list of reasons that they think could be it. All right, so go ahead and select the reason that suits your reason, that is appropriate for the reason that you have in your mind. And once you go ahead and click on that reason, the next thing you have to do is to select the order right there in that window, because you're going to be asked to select the order again. Select the order, and then in that particular banner, all right, that window at the bottom, you're going to find confirm. So all you need to do is to click confirm. So go ahead and click on that confirm button you're going to find in that window. Now, once you click on confirm, it's now going to take you or open you up to another window where it's going to tell you that your order has, all the cancellation has been successful. So it's going to say cancel successfully, and it's going to say your refund will be sent to your PandaBuy account balance. All right, so that's the process. So once you have clicked on cancel and you've clicked on confirm to actually confirm the cancellation, what does that imply? That implies that you have definitely sent a memo to PandaBuy letting them know that you want to cancel this particular order and you want a refund. So once you send that message to them, they're definitely going to receive it and they're going to start the process of refunding. So they're going to let you know that once they're done and then they have assessed your reason, or they've assessed your reason and they see that, okay, this is good enough and this meets criteria, or this is eligible for refund, then they're definitely going to refund and send you the money back for your product. Now, guess where they're going to send it to you? You don't need to guess because I have to mention it to you. They're going to send it to your PandaBuy account. So all you need to do now is to go ahead and click on your payment, and once you click on payment, you can definitely see if you will find your PandaBuy account. So let's see. So you can definitely, before you go ahead and click on the top corner and you see a process wallet and all that. So go ahead and click on wallet, and once you click on wallet, that's once the process has been initiated. That's what I mean. So you're going to take it to your PandaBuy account. So go ahead and click on wallets from here, the top right corner. Click on wallets for you to see if the money has been reflected. This is where you'll find it in this balance. So the money is definitely going to be reflected here to show that PandaBuy has refunded you money and they have paid you. Now, I'd like you to know that the process or the period from initiating the refund process to the time that they get a response may not be instant. It may not be instantaneous as you actually have in your head or you have figured out. All right, it may not be instantaneous. It may take days. Like I said, it is dependent on how well PandaBuy is able, to assess your product to see if it's actually eligible for a refund. So don't expect it to happen instantaneously. It could take days, it could take weeks, depending on how PandaBuy feels. This may actually make you feel sad, but pretty much that's it. And there is really nothing you can do about it. You cannot keep sending them mails and say, hey, I'm running out of patience and I really need this money right now. So you're just really gonna have to be patient until they respond to you, and then just come over here to your wallet to keep checking if your money has been reflected. So this is pretty much the process. Just go ahead and click on orders, check your order, check the top right, check the extreme right of that order, and then click on cancel order, confirm the cancellation, select a reason, and that's just going to aid you. You'll be able to initiate it. Once the order has been cancelled, and you're definitely going to get a refund for that order. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.